Top 10. Best Skimboards. Water. This is especially appealing for snowboarders and skateboarders as there is a similar motion to the sport. Number 10. Coupe Bodyboards Soft Skimboard. The Coupe Bodyboards Soft Skimboard is the one you should look at. It has been designed for beginner riders. The board is larger than most, giving it great stability and balance in the water. This board is constructed out of hardwood and laminate. The shape is egg-like with the nose being short. Great for beginners. Bright deck. The nose being short and rounded. Number 9. GATOR Skimboard. One of the top skimboard companies. They make great boards that last for years. The wood skimmer is made out of multi-layered laminated poplar wood. It has been tested to stand up to the elements for years. Every one of their boards has a colorful graphic that will make you the talk of the beach. Specially designed shape. Colorful decal. Turning and tricks due to its shape. Our newest choice only be seen at Fishfindlay.com. Search Best Skimboards or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Fiberglass Wave Zone Squirt. Option for kids and all those learning the sport. This is because the board has a recommended weight capacity of only 90 pounds, made using the highest quality of materials. You are sure to be impressed with the strong foam core, the tough fiberglass shell and a smooth gel coat. This board looks cool in the water with clear, looks cool. Full package deal. Incredibly durable. Number 7. Lucky Bums Wood Skimboard. Lucky Bums Wood Skimboard has been designed for everyone. The nose has been shaped so that it reduces the amount of falls you take. The tail has a rounded shape that makes spinning easy. It has been made out of an epoxy plywood with a high gloss coating. 100% satisfaction guarantee. 5 unique designs to choose from. Standing out wherever you slide. Number 6. BeachMall Beginner Deluxe Skimboards on today's market. Full of great user feedback, this board performs well and is expertly designed for beginner riders. Made with a hardwood cross-laminate and an epoxy sealer makes it so this board is sure to last 2 years to come. The colorful design comes in 2 different colors to choose from. Hardwood finish. Durable. Sharp colorful design. Number 5. Sunspecs Rubber Top Wooden. Made in Venice, Florida. The composite fiberglass construction ensures the board stays light while maintaining its strength and durability. A high gloss base makes the ride smooth and easy. The board comes in 3 sizes, so no matter your height and weight this board will fit you. Eye-catching graphics. Ideal shape. Height and weight this board will fit. Our newest choice only be seen at Fishfindlay.com. Search Best Skimboards or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. GATOR Skimboards by BPS. Finding great use of materials with a unique shape. This company prides themselves on customer service. They make it their mission to respond to your requests and emails within 12 hours. Not only that, BPS also emails you to check that everything arrived as it should. Great customer service. 12-month warranty. The board itself has a unique shape. Number 3. Fedmac Skimboard with high gloss coat. 9. The board features a graphic which sits on the bare wood. Even though the design is minimal, this high gloss coat skimboard performs like a rock star. The shape has been fine-tuned to be responsive yet stable. You get all of this at a very affordable price point. Responsive in the water. Minimal design. A very affordable price point. Number 2. Fedmax Wood Skimboard. The wood core is coated in an EVA pad that gives you traction and protection. Under the board is a hard protective resin which protects against the sand and salt water. Coming in at only 5 pounds, this is one of the lightest boards available. The unique shape allows you to swing the tail around it while in the water. Hardwood core. Super lightweight. Soft and grippy deck. Number 1. Fedmax Skimboard. Not only do you get the skimboard, you also get surf wax, traction grip set, and ultimate tips and tricks book. The hybrids are the lightest boards on the market thanks to the unique construction of the carbon fiber reinforced nose by tail and fiberglass body. Perfect for beginners and intermediate. Lightweight carbon fiber and fiberglass. Tricks and spins with this board. Our newest choice only be seen at Fishfindlay.com. Search Best Skimboards or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.